So I'm putting together a real quick dinner that I thought someone else may be interested in. So what I have cooking on the Foreman grill is these Purdue, it's already pre-cooked. Basically just heating them up. Well, what I do is, those are done, put them on my George Foreman grill. Bam! And then I have this birdseye protein, which is the Southwest. I don't know, just my favorite. It's got like a sauce in it, it's really good. And then I have my fajita tortilla. It's garden style, that's why it's green. So I throw that together. I get myself some cheese, Mexican style cheese. Oh dang. There we go. I'll just do a tiny bit of cheese. Medium, depends how much you feel like. Get my birdseye. Fun fact, birdseye was the first one to come up with frozen vegetables. He was a salesman and he was taking his real vegetables up to Canada or somewhere like that, and they got frozen, and he was like, hold on a second, this will last longer if they're frozen. So there you go. So I put some of that on there. Grab my chicken. I have like a bunch of little pieces here, which some of those packets, Purdue comes, there's a lot of big strips, little strips, you know. So I just, whatever, easy enough. Boom, that's it. It probably looks smaller on the camera, but perfect. And if I want a second one, I'll make a second. It takes like 5 minutes. It takes 5 minutes to heat these up. It takes like 5 minutes to heat those up. Good to go. Hope you enjoyed. Good luck.